IGP apartments on the north end with a green Honda no plates. Hey guys, what's up?
What's up?
What brings you out here?
What do you mean what brings us out here? We live here.
Why are you sitting here like here? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Nobody's moving.
Put your hands up right now, dude. Put your hands up right now. Put them on the ceiling.
Hey, why are you tripping? We didn't even do anything. What are you stopping us for?
Don't move.
What are you stopping us for?
Don't move.
What are you doing? Why are you
Cover code 3.
pointing at us?
Because he's got a gun in his lap.
No, he doesn't. You're tripping. You have no reason to stop us.
Okay.
I'm
Don't move.
My door. Fuck
Don't
that.
move. I'm telling you not to move.
I didn't do anything.
I'm telling you not to move.
Call Vanessa, okay?
You call who you need to call, but don't move.
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you again.
I'm not moving. Nobody's moving.
Stop moving.
Who?
When another officer gets here, I'll get you out of the car, but right now you're going to sit still.
Who are you talking to?
You.
I wasn't even moving.
You're grabbing your phone.
Oh, I asked you if I could make a phone call. You said call who I need to call, right?
Dude, I'm telling you, do not move. Do not reach for that gun. I see that gun in your lap. Do not move.
You're tripping.
I'm telling you, don't move. I'm non-compliant with a gun visible. Stop moving.
Did I put my shoes on?
No, stop moving. Come to the closed gate. Come to the closed gate. Stop moving, dude.
Hey, stop.
I'm telling you, stop moving.
He don't got a fucking gun.
I can see the gun. Don't reach.
No,
Don't move.
If you fucking shoot him, I promise
Do
you.
not move.
He's not doing
Don't
it.
move.
Are you fucking serious?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
No.
Don't move.
No.
Don't move. Don't move.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Don't move.
Vanessa! Get out here.
Don't move.
Get out here. Are you fucking serious?
Don't move.
There's no fucking gun. There's no gun.
Don't move. He's got a gun on his lap.
No, he doesn't.
Keep your hands up.
Babe, oh my god. Who is that?
Shots fired.
It's
Don't move.
They shot him. Get over here. They shot him.
Okay, I'm with you.
What the fuck? He didn't even do anything.
It's in his lap.
No, it's not.
Stay
You
cover.
didn't do anything.
Don't you move.
Are you fucking serious? Why did you shoot him? I didn't do anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, but don't be rough with me. I didn't do
Nobody's
a fucking
gonna be rough
thing.
with you.
What
Don't
the
move.
fuck? Why would he? You shot at my fucking car. He didn't do fucking nothing. I didn't even do anything.
Relax, okay?
I
Relax.
didn't even do anything.
Relax, okay?
I didn't do anything.
Roll over. Sit up on your butt. Walk back here. Hurry up.
Why are you doing? But I didn't do nothing.
Just walk. I'm just trying to get you away. Walk back here.
Why would you guys do that?
He had a gun in his lap. I told him not to move.
No, he didn't.
Stand still.
That ain't even his
Stand
gun.
still.